Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this time I decided to do an experiment. We're gonna have 4 different slimes, and then we're gonna add half a cup, 2 cups, and 3 cups to see which one is too much. And I'm gonna rate each one and say which one's my best. Okay, so we have this slime that we're gonna measure to see how much we have with a measuring cup. And then we're also gonna use shaving cream. Okay, so I'm gonna measure it out. Make way. This has to be perfect, otherwise it's not really science. Okay, this is our first cup. Let's go right here. Hopefully this is enough, because I did not measure before. Okay, that's our second cup. This is our third cup. And this should be our 4th cup. Ooh, it's actually perfect. Yeah. Okay. So now we're gonna add the cups. Since this is half a cup, I'm gonna add I'm gonna add 1 of these, 2 of these, 1 of these, 2 of these, 4 of these, and 6 of these. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's confusing. Hopefully I remember that. First, I'm gonna bring out a butter knife to like level it. Because it's just science. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the extra shaving cream on this. I don't know what I have to figure out. Okay, we're just gonna leave that there. And we're gonna put it in our next cup. I'm going to use, I'm also gonna use a spoon to like scoop it out because I don't wanna use my fingers. So this is half a cup. I'm gonna mix this at the end. Okay, so now we're gonna take our knife of this and put it in this, push it down. We're gonna add our shaving cream. Ooh, that was perfect. Okay. Again, we're gonna knife this. Why is that so satisfying? It's like perfectly leveled. Okay. I don't know how we're gonna stack these. Like that took a lot of effort. So I don't know how this is gonna work. Because we're gonna have to add 4 and 6. Like, what? I'm trying to scoop it out as best as I can to not mess with it, but I'm trying. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing. Put it in here. Like, I'm trying to be as like sciencey as I can. This is really hard. I love doing this. Okay, do y'all ever know? I think I said this in my last video too, but if you haven't watched my last video, then you don't know the reference, which that's really weird. If you haven't watched the other one, you can go watch it like right now. I said, do y'all remember when like I think this was in preschool, 1st grade, and we used to like spray shaving cream, our teachers used to spray shaving cream. Oh no, that just flipped over. Okay, anyway. They used to like pour shaving cream and we used to dye it. I'm gonna spread these out more. I'm gonna try. Cause these are too close. Okay, I'm gonna try like fan this out. Kind of make like a better space. I know you can't see what I'm doing, but ooh, I don't know why I was doing that. Okay, anyways, they used to like spray it on the table and we used to like put our names out and like put them on and stuff, and like we used to dye and stuff. Okay, I'm gonna put 4 in this one, right? I really hope my math is correct. Half a cup, 1 cup, 2 cups. Yeah. My brain wasn't braining for a second. We used to have like a toy kitchen and stuff. And that was really fun. I wish I was in preschool because I remember every time we had a nap in preschool, I would never go to sleep, and now I want that sleep. This is so much shaving cream. Like, this is times itself. This is more shaving cream than there is slime. Which I think is crazy because you're like doubling. This is really cool. Can't wait to mix these. Okay, look how humongous this one is. I wonder how humongous this is gonna be. Is this really gonna mix in? I've heard of people who add the whole can, and it's like really fluffy. Oh, by the way, y'all, I'm gonna like leave these out overnight so that they can become iceberg slimes. This is a whole mess right there. Ooh, that was satisfying. This should be the last one. That took me a whole 20 minutes to do that. Look, I'm just getting the most satisfying part. I'm gonna try to do it. Okay. Oh my god. Did y'all just hear that? Voice crack. I think that was the worst voice crack of the century. After 10 million months later, we have ours. All of these. Half cup, a cup, 2 cups, and 3 cups. Holy, was that a lot. Now we're gonna mix. First, this one. This is half a cup. Ooh, I swear this is already gonna be a lot. Yeah, this already feels like a lot, I swear. I don't know why, but shaving cream mixes in so weird when your slime is already activated. Already, I'm not liking this. This is not stretchy at all. Which is really weird because I felt like it was going to be. I promise you, this is like stretchy slime. Okay, now we're gonna mix the 1 cup. If that's already too much, then I don't know what these other ones are gonna be. This is mixing really weird. I don't know why it's doing this. It's working, it's just really weird. Okay, I think when this sits, it's gonna feel better. Okay, that's finally mixed in. Jeez, took a while. Oh my gosh, this is. So I'm getting really nervous. This is the 2 cup one. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's really satisfying. I'm gonna try to mix this in as best I can. There's so much like shaving cream max its size that it's like, I just don't know what to do. Like not even all the shaving cream is even in there. Okay. This is not going well. This is in camera, this literally looks like I'm holding like a bunch of shaving cream. It's like spider webs. Like brick. There's like some of the store-bought slimes that I've reviewed. Okay, now we're gonna go into this one. Let's just 3 whole cup. Because this slime is half a cup. Oh my gosh, this is just shaving cream basically. I definitely feel like I'm in kindergarten again. What even is this slime anymore? Oh my gosh. How is this getting mixed in? This feels really weird. It's really stringy. Okay guys, so I've been mixing for like 30 minutes and nothing's happening. L-I-K-E. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, before we end the video, I obviously have to review each of the slimes and tell y'all which one's my favorite, my least favorite, and this is the first one. Honestly, this one's not even that bad. It's kind of stretchy. And it feels cool. I'm going to give this a 7 out of 10. Next, this one. This one, nuts. Oh shoot, wait, do you hear that? I'm going to do the next one, but it's been sitting. It's been like sizzling. So yeah, I give this one a 5 out of 10. It's not very stretchy. You can just like roll it. That's it. And then this one, wait, hold on. This one, why does it kind of feels better than the first one and the second one? Or maybe the second one. I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10. It's actually not that bad. This one's actually like weirder. Okay, now we have this thing. It is shaving cream. It's just shaving cream. And I love shaving cream, but I don't know how I would play with this. It's like kindergarten, and it's like stringy shaving cream. So I give this one and like a 2 out of 10. Okay, now I'm gonna rank them. This one kind of feels better than the second one because it's kind of fun to play with, but it's kind of really messy and you can't really play with it. But I kind of like it. It's kind of a vibe. Okay. I kind of like this one. No. Do I? Oh, this actually feels... No, I like this one better. First, second. Third. Oh, this one's fourth, but I kind of liked it. And don't forget to follow for more videos like this. And I'm actually gonna let these sit overnight, so I'll see you tomorrow when they're icebergs. Hi guys, I'm back and we have our iceberg slimes. This one is half a cup, 1 cup, 2 cups, and 3 cups. And like the shaving cream like dried. So we're gonna do some ASMR for you. Okay, first, the half a cup. This is how thick the layer. That's how thick the layer is. Now 2. This one. But this one is one of my favorites. It seems so soft. I think I let these sit for way too long because look how thick these are. That one was really fun. This one is the 3 cups. Ooh, that was good. Ooh, okay. Might have to fix this in another video because I really like this slime. Now it's like this. That's it for today, guys. Bye.